Assalamu alaikum. Peace be unto you. We were out in traffic and a thought came to my mind about a principle, an axiom, a law that I learned from my teacher, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. Of course, as black people in our sojourn here in the wilderness of North America, we've met so many spirit killers, dream snatchers, and aspiration assassins who have installed negative commands into the black psyche that we operate sometime in the position or from a position of invalidation and self-hatred. So there was something I learned from my teacher, the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, that no matter whether you met that spirit killer in your school, your house, the hood, wherever you met him, that I learned something, that if you adopt this mindset, it will serve you as a override mechanism in your brain that will put in check all of the self-defeating thoughts and concepts that our enemy or that any of the host of our enemy have installed in our minds. And that principle, law, or axiom is that there's nothing more powerful than a made-up mind. Nothing more powerful than a made-up mind. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan said it, and we dug it up to see if science bears witness to it. And we found that in physics, there's a law that gives the formula for power. And power in physics is work divided by time, or P equals W/T. Another way of saying work divided by time is speed. So if you want to find out what the most powerful object is in the universe, all you have to find is the fastest moving object. We're in a vehicle, average speed of a car, 160 miles per hour. Some automobiles get up into the 2s, the 220s, and whenever you have a car that can go faster than another, the engine is bigger, and when you look at those engines, you say this one here that goes faster has more horse power. Why? Because power and speed go hand in hand. The average speed of an airplane is 500 miles per hour, so the plane has more power than the car because of the speed. Then you have sound moving at 1,120 feet per second, so teaches the most honorable Elijah Muhammad. We live on a planet that is 24,896 miles in circumference, 7,926 miles in diameter. It has 57,255,000 square miles of land that stick up out of 139,685,000 square miles of water. 68,634,000 square miles of that water is the Pacific Ocean. 41,321,000 square miles is the Atlantic Ocean. 29,430,000 square miles is the Indian Ocean. 1 million square miles of lakes and rivers. 4,861,000 square miles of desert. 1,910,000 square miles of island. And it weighs 6 sextillion tons. Well, with all that land, all that water, all that weight and volume, the Earth travels at the terrific speed of 1,037 1/3 miles per hour. Then there's something else in the universe that has all of them beat. The most honorable Elijah Muhammad said that great ball of fire in the sky called the sun, 93 million miles away from our planet, 853,000 miles in diameter, burning at 14,072 degrees with 10 to 20,000 mile high flames coming off of its surface. One ray of light can travel 93 million miles to the earth in 8 minutes and 20 seconds or 500 seconds flat, because light is moving at 186,000 miles per second. So light has more power than all of that. But there's nothing more powerful, not than the sun, not than the sound, not than the planet. No, there's nothing more powerful than a made-up mind. How do you know? Because thought travels on the average of 24 billion miles per second, and there's nothing in the universe moving faster than that. So it's not a cliche, it's not some warm, fuzzy self-esteem booster. There really is, brothers and sisters, nothing more powerful than a made-up mind. If you've got your mind made up, there's nothing that you want to be, do, or have that you cannot achieve as long as you live right and your motive is pure. Multiplied by a made-up mind, you become an unstoppable man and an unstoppable woman. Thank you for listening. I greet you in peace. Assalamu alaikum.